Hey everybody, we get a lot of people asking questions about what is pet turf and what the difference is between pet turfs and regular turfs. Right here we have our Elite Pet Turf. This is a Tiger Turf product, 100% American grade. And what the difference is in pet turfs compared to most regular turfs with the regular black backing is, our pet turfs have a permeated backing. It's got tons of drainage. It's got a full permeated backing, so these will drain about 400 inches an hour compared to a standard turf, which is about 30 to 40 inches an hour. What that does, it allows the pet urine to drain through it, able to clean it out. You combine that with an antimicrobial infill like EnviroFill, and you have the best product you can get, the best thing you can do to safeguard against pet urine smells, which is the biggest problem a lot of people have. So Tiger Turf products, great pet turf. This is our Elite Pet Turf right here.